Watch in effect from late tonight through to just 2015.0 feet. HTTP code.
I'll come over here for that then.
We total to 200. Creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details. At 7:12 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Portland, Rochester, South Portland, Biddeford, Portsmouth, Westbrook, Kittery, Alfred, Sanford, and Dover. Here are the 7 a.m. reports from around